Hello and welcome. My name is GQ and today I'll be doing an audio tutorial video on how to install a Minecraft mod. Today I'll be showing you how to install the equivalent exchange mod. Damn, what a hard thing to say. So the mods you'll need for this is the mod loader, the audio mod, the item sprint API, and the equivalent exchange mod. So what you first want to do, as always, is go down here and type %app data %roaming and .minecraft bin and Minecraft open with WinRAR. Then you want to delete the meta folder as always, and then you want to go into the mod loader, drag and drop all of the files. Make sure it stands add and replace files here. Then you go to the audio mod and do exactly the same. Minecraft.jar, drag and drop, add and replace files. Okay. And you can just take these out. Item sprint, just do the same. Like that. Add and replace files. Then you take that out, close it, and then equivalent exchange. Oh, darn it, this is one of those mods. Okay. I'm just gonna check. Okay. Then I know it. Ah! I know what to do. I never do. This time I do it. Minecraft.jar, drag and drop. Add and replace files. Okay. And you go here. Bollocks. Back and no, Minecraft resources. No, wrong again. Back. Then you wanna drag and drop the resources in here and put those mapped together. And yes, I think that is all. So thanks for watching. I'll do mod spotlight later on this, because this is a pretty awesome mod, and I hope this helped you install the mod. So goodbye everyone!